Yo, deal check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Deal's on the radio with you. Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at the Subi Sanctuary. We are back here with our version 6 STI, and we have now decided a fate for this car. And that fate is... Siri, turn off skid tunes. So here we are a few short hours later, and I bet you guys did not see this coming. Here we have the first ever JDM crop top STI. So next thing we're gonna do is grab the boys, hop in, take her for a ride, and see how she works.
I actually feel quite nice in these tassels. Like,
yeah.
They feel nice.
They're sick. Huge.
I don't know how he's done that, but all right, boys.
Well, what are your first thoughts?
It's a lot more comforting, a lot more sturdy than I thought it was going to be. It's actually quite nice to know that my head is directly below the windshield, like the wind's going to go right over. It looks comfortable, it feels comfortable. I think this was Subaru's biggest mistake not to make one.
Seatbelts still work. They're just, we don't need to wear them.
They do somewhat still work, actually.
Yeah, they're optional though.
That's okay. So yeah, let's head out, see how our first ride goes.
Not really the nicest day for a convertible, but...
This is greatness. Should honk your horn.
So here we are, we're cruising. First impressions of the crop top STI.
Pretty sweet.
It's actually really dope. Drives nice. I already feel way cooler than anyone with a regular STI.
Nice.
So we're just gonna pull out, drive into oncoming traffic here. So you can see us, we're in England, so we drive on like the different sides of the road. That's why those guys were going that way. We're just having a good time and
going a little off road.
So yeah, are you guys ready to bring this to a show or what?
I'm ready. I think this is gonna be super sweet to take to, what's the biggest show in England we have?
Yeah, this drive's way nicer than you'd ever expect. Again,
I kind of do slightly feel the dash like flexing between my leg, but it's very minor. I don't think it's...
Whoops, fuck. Just kicked out a little there. The fucking tombstone.
We just lost the most integral piece of the car.
Hold on, wait.
We gotta go rescue that.
Stop. We lost the fucking tombstone.
Yo, the car's rolling back.
Oh, it does have brakes.
What the...
Turns out we've lost our tombstone back there around.
It's made a hole in the ground.
Man.
Yo, shit, I'm on my way.
Help him.
Yo, I got you. I got you. The fucking tombstone. All right, sweet. Let's head back into our crop top STI.
I think we've we've nailed this concept, and I think we're ready for SEMA now, pretty much.
I think we've succeeded in what we wanted to do. I think it's just like...
I think we're running out of gas. Hi. Yeah. Here we are, we've broken down on the side of the interstate in crop top STI. So we're gonna throw some fuel in it, see if we can get back going. We're not sure if it's, our alternator's not charging, but also we don't have a battery, so there's a few issues, but we only put about 1 liter of gas in it to start. So now we're putting maybe another liter in, and yeah, we should be back on track in no time. We're trying to get to the beach, but it's just not really working out right now. Yeah, that's typical for like when you do a convertible, you need to insulate where it wasn't normally insulated. That's definitely not a mouse house.
Did you break the drive belt off the car?
The what?
The drive belt?
Oh yeah, that makes sense, yeah.
Yeah, we don't have one.
That's why we didn't have it charging. That's what's going on. Yeah, it's all right. We don't need it. Turning the heater on took a lot of our energy.
Yeah,
someone's shirt is too freaking small. They couldn't stay warm. This should provide enough energy to get us to the beach. Yeah, we got energy. Fuck boys, let's fucking roll. Oh yeah, she sounds good, boys. How did it fucking break in half?
It's too much torque.
We got that energy.
Hey.
Now we know how Tesla drivers feel. Woo! We're off. Great, now we've gone onto a real road.
Whose idea was this?
This is not good. We need to find somewhere that we can turn around without brakes being needed. We have to go to that driveway and turn around. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
Okay, come on, baby. Come on, baby.
We're going a little too fast to stop. So
okay,
touch some e-brake.
We'll be all right. I don't want these guys to hear our brakes dragging. Woohoo! Crop top STI. Woo!
Oh, that feels fucking so sweet.
Yeah.
It just feels like you're living a different life.
Yeah. This is living right here. This is living.
Yo, I didn't know that. Fucking, do you see that? If the air vapes.
Oh, no way. Vape air.
Holy fuck. Wow.
Now we'll turn around and go back that cam again.
I got the squid ink crop top, you know, the tassels.
That's what STI actually stands for, is Shirt Tassel Industries.
Exactly.
Yeah. A lot of people didn't know that.
Big sound system on the back.
Yeah.
It's a tombstone.
Yeah, it's a Pioneer tombstone.
Yep.
This is gonna be sweet. There's a tow truck coming.
Oh, damn. Oh, shit.
Get in. Run away.
Yeah, so we just got a boost from the tow truck driver. We're back on track now. Really nice guy. It is beautiful, eh?
Yeah, it is super sweet.
Here we go. Don't blow over.
My tassels are blowing in the
9,
wind.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Oh shit. Yo, you rolling with us or what, Holmes? Alright, peace then.
I think it actually looks so sick rolling.
Hopefully someone still wants to buy these seats after some half-naked dudes have sat in them. So we're gonna pull her back in. The maiden voyage was successful.
It looks really, really sweet.
All right, guys, with the crop top STI back in the shop now, we are going to make a couple changes to kind of refine this design, because I'd say this was kind of like our prototype to start out, and now we can really dial this in with a couple minor little changes. So we're gonna go ahead, get those done, and then we'll cut back with our final words after that. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and end this video there. I feel like everybody has seen quite enough of the crop top STI and the antics to go along with it. I would like to apologize for this video is more so a filler video. We were parting out the car. I did actually need the roof from the car and everything else went to great use. We do have some super significant projects on the go right now, so stay tuned to catch a glimpse of those as they start to make their way on the channel. And otherwise, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until the next one, happy Subaruing.